bus spilled milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another Valium. Give me hour or two, hour with you. Why you bothering me when you know you don't want me? Why you bothering? Hey y'all, it is your girl Amy back with another video. It has been a while actually. It's been a while, and you know, I'm not gonna make any excuses saying that I was doing this or that. No, it's summer and I should, like, even if I'm not doing something really that exciting, I should be vlogging. I should be doing, you know, how to do this or that or whatever. So I've been literally slacking like crazy. You know what? We're back and better. Okay. And I promise, as y'all can see, I got a tan. Like, I look crazy. My skin is breaking out from all the summer, like all the sweets and the slushies and all that stuff that I've been drinking. But we're gonna work on that. I'm definitely gonna start drinking more water this week. Working on my skin because my face is breaking out. I will be working that on this week, doing that, and also I will be giving you guys at least 2 videos this week. I know I should be giving you more, definitely, or maybe 3, because my week is looking pretty exciting, and plus I will be doing a vlog. I promise you that. Like, I keep trying to do a vlog, but it never comes out. Like, I'm not, as you could say, consistent on doing a vlog. But I will. So we're gonna get right into the video. And first, before I give you guys an eyebrow tutorial, because that's what all y'all been suggesting. Eyebrow tutorial. Oh my god, your eyebrows, how I do your eyebrows. I am not professional in doing my eyebrows, but I will give you a quick, easy step process on how to do your eyebrows and how I do it. And, you know, I don't use the brush. I use the pencil, and it comes out really good for me. So I've been, you know, some days it's thicker than the other days it's thin. So it doesn't always come out the same way. So if I do something wrong and I'm not doing something correctly, please comment down below. But the compliments that lots of people have been giving me outside or whatever, I love your eyebrows, it's cute, you should do a video on it. And I find this the easiest way instead of doing a brush, you know. But anyways, I'm gonna give you guys a quick tip by tip, step by step, or whatever you want to call it, on how we do our eyebrows. And I'm going to do a quick haul on what I got at a beauty supply store. You know, this one I gotta try, okay? But I got a small because, you know, what if I don't like it? What if it's not working for me? Don't want to spend that much money. It's pretty expensive though, $5 for this small little thing. But I heard it's really, really good, edge booster. And I heard it smells really good. Let me smell. And it smells so good. They have like all different type of flavors. This strawberry scent, Stronghold Water Babe. Like, this is really, really good. It smells so good. I'm gonna try this real quick so y'all can see, and maybe y'all can go get it too. But I heard this was pretty good, so I'm gonna give it a try. It's so smooth and simple, and like it holds so nicely. They're playing with me. And it's so expensive though. Like, this price is like something that you can get for Echo Style, like a whole big jar of Echo Style. But it's really, really good. I really like it, guys. Y'all, this works out so smoothly. Like, I am in love with it. Go get y'all some, okay? Go get y'all some. What? Edge boost. Yeah, it boosts up my edges, alright. This is, guys, I'm not even gonna, guys. This is not even just a gas. Like, for people who has like really thick edges and like can't lay down their edges, go get you some, okay? This works for any edge. My god. Minnie, I need a whole bucket. This is really, really good. Really, 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 really good. Wow. Wow.
But if you guys aren't sure about it, make sure you get the small one. If it works for you, get it. This is 10 times better than Echo Styler, for sure. I give this a, the way it's looking, a 10. I give this a 10. Okay, so this is the eyebrow pencil that I use. It is waterproof too. I didn't realize when I got it, it was waterproof. I was like, oh wow, it's waterproof, okay. Listen, I don't even have to tell you where I got this, the name of it. You can go to any beauty supply store or even CVS, or they have in Walmart, and it's just a regular eyebrow pencil. It is dark brown. I use dark brown. So this is a regular eyebrow pencil or eyeliner pencil. Make sure it's brown, or just at least it matches the color of your eyebrows. So you can get this eyebrow pencil anywhere, literally. Like, I don't even need to tell you the name of it exactly. So yes, you can get any store, they have it, okay? But I suggest beauty supply store because they only cost like 99 cents, $1. You want an eyebrow brush, so you know you can see exactly what the form of your eyebrow looks like. So when you color it in, you know, I'll show you, but make sure you have an eyebrow brush. It's important. My concealer, make sure your concealer is lighter than your skin tone, okay? At least two shades lighter than your regular skin tone. Using my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, but I'm gonna use it to blend it in my foundation. So yes, I'll be using my e.l.f. brush. You could find, I got this from Walmart. I'm pretty sure you can find this in Walmart. It should be there. It is an eyebrow brush, eyeshadow brush, or blending eye brush. You could definitely find this in Walmart. It's alright. You know, I'm working with it. Just to blend. Sometimes if you're doing your eyebrows, it can get like really oily, and that's for me too. My eyebrows get really oily. So I'm gonna just put some powder on them. So yeah, sometimes eyebrows can get really oily, and the powder helps it to prevent from that. It's really good, especially for us brown girls. Ugh, got all over it. It's NK Perfection. I really like this. It's really good. It's small because I always get my stuff that I have not tried before, I always get it tiny. Sometimes things might not just work out for me. And this in my eyebrows. Just put it all around there. It's gonna look weird because I don't have, like, you know, foundation. So right now I'm just gonna trace the form of my eyebrows. So you gotta make sure you start from the end because you might just mess up from the front. So I'm just gonna form it. Yeah, I'm not trying to be professional. This is exactly what I do. And then once you go here from the top, you want to make sure you're doing it lightly, not too dark. Trace all that from the outside. Now we're going to color in from the inside. Make sure this part, the part that's like, it doesn't have that much eyebrow but has a little bit of some hair, make sure that you're not, you know, the no is to like just keep tracing. Make sure you don't make it so dark from this top. You see how it's light here? There's nothing here, but it's dark here. You want to make sure this is a little darker from here. So we're gonna start coloring in a little bit, not too hard, like you're coloring, like a little kid's coloring in a coloring paper. Make sure that's one thing that, you know, helped me to really kind of improve on doing my eyebrows, because, you know, you don't want your eyebrows to be so dark. You want it to look natural as possible. to make sure it's like exactly where the end of your eye is.
So now I'm just going to color in just a little bit, a lighter shade than what this looks like. It's not going to be perfect, trust me, once you do that, because you're going to blend it.
And at the end with my, I blend it in the end with my eyebrow brush. Rest of your eyebrow, okay? You want to make sure it looks natural as possible. So now I'm going to put my foundation under. So now I'm gonna blend it up with my brush. So yeah, so now we're gonna go into the other side and do it. Final look. I look pretty weird because I don't have any foundation or all that, so but that's how it looks, guys. So as y'all could see, some people just like they do their eyebrows, everything is freaking dark. Don't do that, please. You see, if you just do the Amy way, your eyebrows. Anyways, hope you guys watched this video. Okay, hope you guys watched this video. Hope you guys like hope you guys like this video. Give this a thumbs up and subscribe and share with your friends. Share this with any girl member still trying to learn how to get their eyebrows done or do it. This is the most natural way, and I like the way I do my eyebrows because it's natural. But yes, I'm excited that I'm getting to upload the video because lots of you guys really wanted to know how I do my eyebrows. So now you have. I will be doing a high heel shoe collection soon. Okay, your girl has too many. I mean, too many. But please comment down below or DM me or whatever you have my social medias on what video I should do next. Love you guys.